Always here.
Basta laban ra gyud.
Yes, oo.
Please.
Yes, of course. Ayaw kabalaka na ako. Kana siya, oh. Sila mo mabalaka kasi sila.
Ay, greetings sa Elorkit.
Hi, to everyone watching live. Maraming salamat sa suporta niyo. We're here with the Filipinos in The Hague. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong suporta. Mabuhay kayo.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, that's correct. It's my honor to be able to do this. Yeah.
Let me know.
Yes, of course.
Dali raman pangitaan ako Instagram.
Yes, I will follow you Instagram.
Your page.
Yes.
I'll see it. Kasi if you use like your username, kasi dili na ko makita all the direct
Thank you,
messages.
Kitty.
Pero if you use your page na lang.
Kitty, I would like to ask you because daghan kaig nangutan na kung nabay a message ang imong father or imong dada sa Filipino people because ang suporta sa imong as a former president imong papa is never ending gyud siya, rain or shine. Naami sa gawas for him. Naba siya
Ayun, every visit, we ask him what his message is for the Filipino people. And a while ago, he said that God bless the Philippines and God bless the Filipinos. And ayun again, he says it every time. He wants to extend his heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you that yung walang sawang pagsuporta sa kanya. Because I know it may get tiring waiting here. I understand that the climate is different. It's a bit too cold for our liking kasi syempre we're used to the weather in the Philippines. So he knows all of that. And then sometimes he asks, wala na bang tao sa labas? Wala na bang naghihintay sa akin? We assure him na no, there are different people waiting for you outside.
And how about you? How are you? We heard na nagkasakit ka after your birthday celebration.
Yeah, I think from the fatigue.
Yeah, that's what I also thinking.
Yes. And from the weather here, so I think I got a sore throat and like, kasi mahilig ako magpamasahe. What do you call the mga lamig sa katawan?
Panuhot.
Body sores. So I got the, body aches after my birthday. But I had a long rest yesterday. I stayed at the hotel the whole day, and I was able to stop.
Kitty, also a lot of people wants to ensure you and wants to hope na you should be strong all throughout this.
Yes, no problem with that.
Yes, please. Yeah. Kasi yung pagmamahal namin sa papa mo is actually loving the Philippines and also the entire Filipino community all over the world. Yeah, really. Please be strong.
Yes, I will.
And together with your family.
I think you should tell that to my mom. Kasi
yeah, exactly. Yeah. Thank you talaga. Yeah. Because it's very important for us. Kasi kami mga Pilipino, hindi talaga kami bibitiw hanggang sa dulo, literal. Thank you, ha?
Let me know,
yes, I will.
Pero use yung main account mo.
Yes, I will.
So I have to,
I will.
go through every single message. And
I-message lang taka. Thank you so much, really. Yeah, we always pray.
Anong permente mo siya mag-ito?
Yeah. Exactly. Dagay nang utana ano dong sige kag itom.
I brought like 15 pairs of these.
Okay, there you have it. So
I don't wanna have to wake up in the morning and then think of what I need to wear. There are more pressing matters to attend to. So
that's good.
Okay, just wear black.
Yeah, that's good.
And makapayat ang black.
Thank you, Kitty.
Black is beautiful.
Makapayat man dyan ko. I'm like my mom, malaman. Pero I was 6 feet plus.
Yeah, exactly. So, Kitty,
now
Kitty, do you have message to the Filipino community all over the world personally? Your own conviction and your message to the Filipinos?
Honestly, I'm still a student. I'm young, so this isn't political to me. It's the man inside he's my father. So I don't really. I put aside all the issues, and then for me, it's just my father inside. So the kind of gratitude I feel towards the people who love him and support him, grabe yun. It's overwhelming, and I'm very thankful. Kasi he's not the mayor, he's not the president, he's not, tatay lang. Ganun. So
dagang kay salamat, Kitty, because you You really inspired a lot of Filipinos. Your resilience, your mental strength, your character and endurance to go through all of this very difficult situation.
Sir,
Keep on fighting.
pwede mong
Yeah,
ano sa kwan? Itong opinion niya sa pag-endorse ni
Oh yeah. Do you have personal?
We have to talk about it as
Okay.
family.
Okay, perfect.
I think that's it for now.
Okay, that's good. It's good.
Okay.
Let's keep it like that.
Kasi nababasa kaya ni tatay yung mga sulat ng mga Filipino around the
Yes,
world.
we sent him all the letters. We
Oh.
packed them and then we sent it to the
Okay.
Thank you for reading my letter sa imong birthday also. Thank you. I really appreciate
Let
that.
me know ha.
Yeah, I will.
Kay, syempre, laagan man po.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ano, in the Philippines.
Yes,
let
I
me
will.
know.
Thank you,
All the
Ayam.
good spots.
My sister is studying in ADU, so yeah, most likely.
I hope to meet her.
Yeah, one day. Yeah. Yes, I will. Thank you, ha. I appreciate you a lot.
Kasi all of my mga barkada, ako kasi, yung mga friends ko, I have friends, but mostly acquaintances. So, yung mga barkada ko talaga is childhood friends.
Mhm.
All of them are from ADU.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. She's studying psychology. Yeah. Thank you, kay Kitty. Thank you, ha. Exciting. Yeah, really. Thank you, Kitty. Hanggang sa dulo. Yes.
Ang kit, mahabol lang sa sa mga supporters ni tatay sa Japan at sa KOJC. Kada araw-araw sila dun.
Hi to the supporters of former President Duterte from KOJC community and those Filipino communities in Japan. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa aming pamilya at kay President Duterte. Mabuhay lang.
Sa Toronto, Canada, ma'am. Okay.
Hi also to the supporters of President Duterte in Toronto, Canada. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless you, mabuhay kayo. And ayun, sana magkita-kita tayo lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Salamat, ma'am.
Pag-greet mo sa...
Kitty, guwapa kay ka, Kitty. I really hate the... Mom, we also pray for ES. Always, yeah. Yeah. Mag-selfie tapit niyo. May na lang.
I-chat ko dito.
I-chat.
Gamit imong katong
Dire ka.
sa Alvin Tourism. Kato na account para makita-anan ko. Kay is
Huwag mo ko yung Instagram atong Alvin ang Tourism.
wala man ko yung Facebook na public.
Okay. Sa akong personal, i-chat sa akong Instagram account. Alam mo ko yung personal. Alvin Dave Sarzate, akong full name. Yeah. Dito ka, tungkol sa imong kagwapa, dapat diha ka na site. Kitty.
Ikaw no, anggal nandiyan ni Mang Right. Kakabalo ka ng style na kaya pod ko. Hello.
Greetings sa Sailor Kit.
Hi, to everyone watching live. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. We're here with the Filipinos in The Hague. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong suporta. Mabuhay kayo.
Thank you, Kit, ha. Stay strong, yun.
Ila-ilaro.
Francis
Kagwapa ni mo, Kitty, oy.
Francis Mondihar Bulanes.
Or chika ko.
Francis Mondihar.
Bulanes.
Bulangis.
Okay. Ikaw, Rebit,
Mondihar.
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 Sorry. Buhag.
Bulangis.
Bulangis, I'm sorry.
Birthday niya, ma'am.
Francis Mondihar. Bulangis, okay. Hi to Francis Mondihar Bulangis. Happy birthday to you. God bless you always and take care. I hope you have a good one.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Enjoy.
Di man ko
Ma'am. Oh, sorry. Ang Kitty, last na lang po. Pag-greet lang po birthday ng mama niya.
Edin Sabanal. Ngayon April 17. Edin Sabanal. Okay. Happy birthday to you, Edin Sabanal. Edin Sabanal. God bless you always. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you.
Ano na lang.
Pag-greetings,
I'll take a picture of your Instagram.
Ito yun. Sige.
Magkapuan ko pagkaan na.
Bi, add na kasi mo Instagram, Bi.
we have to do it now. Kay daghan ba naga-notice, no? So, wait lang.
Kit, salamat kay Kit ha, sa imong kaayo.
Yes.
Oh, please,
I
di-
heard you're doing PCC. Pagka-bright.
Exam Kit.
Sorry.
Ay, add ka. Money, no? Money siya ng ad, no?
No. This one.
Follow.
And then you can message me there. So, I need to know kay magkabuang gid kog pangitaan na. Hi. We're talking on Snapchat. Yeah. I added her on Snapchat. Well, not now. You're too young. I
Yes,
suggest you,
bito.
stay away from the social media first. Yes, ma'am. Oo. Yes, ma'am.
Ako din, kuan kaning bala, wala ko giuli. Singka akong flight 11. Wala man tayo mabuhat ko, ma'am, kay nabayaan ako din kaya kumugin ako.
Pero I suggest, ma'am, na you really seal it na lang yun. Kay gusto kayo karoon. Sige. Wait lang.
Ma'am, gitawag na kanikuan.
Okay.
Ligid palkan siyo, bala no diya.
Okay, pumping.
O gusto ka magdadlo.
Ay, sama ka nakalayo, bro. May ganyan man ako nakuha. Ayun na reply. Ako na siyang gidelete. Ako nang gidelete ang comment. My God. I deleted it. Ako nang gidelete, guys. Have a great day, ha? No worries. You're always in my mind and heart as in. Basta laban ra gyud Kitty, ha? Please. Ayun, good.
Ayun ka bala ka
Yeah,
na.
that's good.
Ito na siya, oh. Bala ka. Lip tint.
Yeah.
I actually just bought this. Rare Beauty siya. I forgot that. Basta the darkest shade. Lip oil.
So guys,
Super guwapa ka.
Interview this girl.
Yeah. Of course, kay later, ma'am, ako siyang interviewin because she's the...
She extended her holiday to be here.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah. Pretty is Kitty, no? Ah, that's the wife of E.S. Gabea.
My sister something like this. Because she likes, you know, the big bracelet.
No, pakis Kitty, no?
Mira.
As in, more siya di tao.
This is her. I'll show you a picture.
ah,
She's very cute.
may pangalan na siya, ma'am.
Kit, are you thinking?
Opo. Ma'am, next time, Kitty, next time if you're coming back, ano ba sa lahat? Sa lahat ng holiday. Just ano ba?
Are you planning to enter politics? It's too early.
Dili gid ko ganahan.
Ayun.
Like, that's
Ayun.
not my...
Ayun.
Are you good?
It's not the field I want to be in ba.
Sama-sama kami,
So,
Alvin.
well, you never know.
If it's
Like
calling,
my dad says,
kalat ka rin
hindi
ko sa
magsalita ng
Malacanang.
patapos kasi you never know. But for now, personally, ayoko talaga. It's a dirty environment. So,
Basta remain pretty lang yun ka.
Yes.
Okay.
Huwag mong hilahin sa politics.
Lagdi ng mga basher. Sige, masyik kasi.
Actually, I wanted... Well, syempre, my mom is a career woman. So, growing up, she always instilled in me na, okay, you have to be financially independent, ingana. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. I totally understood that. So, that's why, kabalo na mo, mamaligya ko, magnegosyo-negosyo ko, try ba? And then, parang I had this situation in my first year of college. So, one day I went home.
Kasi ka year day karon.
Second year. So, one day I went home and then I told my dad na, murag, dili naman ko gusto ani ginapugos ni mama na feels ako. I want to, as soon as I graduate, I want to have a family. I want to have 2 sons. I want to name the eldest one after you. And wala, homemaker akong pangarap yun. So, well, he said lang, okay, basta makahuman ka college, and after that, you can do whatever makes you happy.
Yeah.
So, yun pa lang ang ano ko ngayon. Like, there's no plans of anything very extra, no? So, kato pa lang. I'm just taking it day by day. Pero, well, at the end
But
of
being
the
a
day,
Duterte, I think it's a lot of
and
pressure.
at the end of the day, it's up to the Lord.
Yeah.
So, asa ko ibutang, di ba? Wala kang mahimo. At the end of the day, tao lang ka.
Because they can be
So,
as insecure as they can, pero you should just be pretty. Yeah, honestly, yeah. Because daghan yung kayo magkuhan sa imo.
Dayon, nag-enjoy. Is this your first time in Europe or have you been here
no,
before?
I've been to Europe before, but it is my first time in the Netherlands, in The Hague.
So, unsa man yung ikasulti, ma'am? Dili sa Netherlands. Unsa man ang gihatag niya?
Actually,
Wait, I'm gonna get
dili kayo kalaag.
Ako dalabi.
Gamay lang man ang mga stores diri na gusto na ako mabot.
Labon ta kag mall?
Actually,
What was the name of the mall?
Westfield.
wala pa ako kaadto dito. Mostly, I've been resting here kay akong lawas kay gibakon na.
How's your study?
Okay naman, pero I wasn't able to focus as much as I should, kay, of course. So, the day before we left, napunta na ako mama if muuban ko or dili. I said, ang eskwela, my school, my education, I can continue it anytime.
Yeah.
But ang akong papa, dili ko sure kung kanus anak ko
Yeah.
makitaan. So,
Exactly, Kit. You really need to embrace this.
like, like, my dad first.
Yeah.
My dad first.
That's really good that you're a family-centered
Yes, kay
person.
kana ang nagpadako sa ako, nagdisiplina na ako, nag-alaga na ako.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you so
Ma'am,
much.
ang imo ang foods. Did you ever try the Netherlands food?
I
Dutch
don't
food?
really like European cuisine.
True that, me too. We don't really
I
like
only stick
Tapos
to
na.
Japanese and
Thank you.
Filipino. So,
Kit, thank you.
Ma'am, one last
Have a good
one.
one. Message ako sa...
Comment lang po. May
Yung bahay na bibilang yung damihan ng kwarto.
Yeah,
kung kutsara diha, kumanda tayo pagdali.
talaga ma'am, para sa inyo ma'am. Meron pong nag-comment sa viral video ninyo na nagsabing para daw kayong si Diana.
layo naman.
Kabaitan ninyo yung Princess Diana ng UK.
Okay, I'm a fan of Princess. I'm a fan.
Kami ang banana cake.
Grabe naman, ako virus. Of course, I appreciate it. Pero, malayo.
Napod ko yun sa video. So, malaman ang
Tatay.
Ganda ng mukha.
Nga, sobrang ganda ni Kit. I'm so proud of her, actually. Because she's so strong and independent. She really embodies what a woman is. I like her. I love her as the daughter of the former president. I see so much potential in her.
Down to earth.
Yeah, very down to earth.
Okay,
She's very kind.
No?
No? She's very likable, approachable.
Wala siya.
Walang hambog sa katawan.
Yes, that is the-
She's just her.
Accessories all over.
Yeah.
Then she
It's so
like,
beautiful, honestly.
stars.
To see, the daughter.
You're really, one
Yeah.
I already prepared a
Harap mo yung
Tatay na
camera.
tatay yung attitude.
Oo.
Sino si Madam C?
the bracelet.
Asawa niya yan. Yes.
I'm sure she loves it.
Madam, what's your name again?
Elizabeth. Si Ma'am. Yeah. Kumatan out sa live pa. Naraas.
Init pa na
Over yung
ganiha.
husband niya.
Umakit.
Sinabi mo.
Ayan na si Kitty. Nag-pinkish si Sir Alvin. Pinkish could always.
Doon niya, ra. Niya, ra. Ano ba? Well, actually sa Philippines, naka-black na ba sila?
Sino?
Banana cake.
Malcolm.
Ma'am, actually sa Pilipinas, naka-black na ba sila? Black is, di ba? Black na karon. They're wearing black.
Because of you. But it's good na. Yeah. Yeah, Sir Malcolm. That's my conviction about her. She's really a Duterte.
Guwapo.
Honestly.
Very, very
Yeah. Well, thank you, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am. Kit, stay strong, Kit, ha?
We want a greeting for his birthday as well.
Yeah, Sir Malcolm, yeah.
Happy birthday, Malcolm. God bless you always. Take care and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Ginapan mo ka.
Close. Kaya nga. Ang bait niya, no? Sobrang bait.
Ikaw di ba dyan ka mag-idol ng tao, pero pag idol, lagi ni mas Kitty.
Actually, because, mura siya si VP nag-amay version. Because VP Inday is also the same.
Pero we are right now.
She's so human, you know, very relatable, so organic. Wala gid siya sa katawan.
Hindi mo sila katatakutan.
Correct, exactly.
Pero, sige,
Ma'am. Ma'am Hanilet, laban lang. Always and forever. Promise na, ma'am. Yes, na, ma'am. Thank you.
Inay mo, ma'am.
Thank you, ha.
Ay,
Thank you so much.
Ay, na ako mga barkada na dito ko kaon sa gawas.
Lagi-lagi ako siyang ingnon. Ako siyang ingnon. Salamat, ha. Thank you, ma'am, ha. Thank you. Bye! Anong bait talaga ng Kira? Sobrang bait ng... Sabi nila nagpink-pink na ako, hindi pink talaga ako sa personal. Oh, ganyan talaga, pink talaga yan yung mukha ko. Sabi ni Hick, ayan, yan yung pink-pink. Yung pink-pink na kasi ako si Makabayan. Ito yung ako si Makabayan. Pink-pink yan. Ma'am, bye ma'am. She's so kind. Yeah.
did you ever say that the Kitty is a best friend? Did you ever see that in your best friend?
Jesus Christ.
Did you ever think about it?
The Kitty.
Yung best
friend. Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Best friend na siya ni ano mo?
Oh nga, very, like really her father, no?
So, are you excited?
Lagi siya lagi siya.
They chat together.
Oh, wow.
She's so excited.
They chat?
Protocol man yun nasa
Wave guy.
Wave, guys.
Wow, si Kuya.
Si Kuya naman, nakakita, hindi naman kami sa
Yun. It's just so real. So real. And
Oh my
so
God, I
organic.
can't believe it. We really can't believe it. I'm just so excited.